Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, electronic stability control, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.